Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in my YouTube channel Practical Civil Engineers. Our today lecture is in the continuation of previous lecture of estimating and costing by engineer Muhammad Bilal. This is lecture number 4. The lecture is related to preparation of rough cost estimate or approximate estimate. So how we will prepare a rough cost or approximate estimate. So approximate estimate is prepared where no detailed knowledge is required, means the length of a wall, breadth of a wall, or length and thickness of slab or beam or column or foundation is required. So it can be done on the basis of practical knowledge, means that a person having experience in this same field from the last 15 to 20 to 30 years, so he have a sufficient knowledge of different rates of construction, so we have an idea. So it is done to obtain administrative approval of a project. So why we will prepare a rough cost estimate for obtaining the administrative approval, normally called AA or AA of a project. So once the project got approved from the competent forum, so then we will prepare a detailed estimate. The third one is it helps in deciding the financial aspect of the project. So rough cost estimate give us a rough idea that how much cost or how much fund will be required for completion of a project. So for instance, for example, we have a project, a construction of a building having a plot area of 3000 square feet. Construction of a plot area is 3000 square feet, and its rate of construction is Rs 1300. So how the number of story is 3 numbers, means this is the ground floor, this is first story, this is second story, and this is third story. Second and first, sorry, ground, first and second. So this is 3 stories building, 3-story building. So the built up area for the first floor is 80%, and the second floor, for the second floor it is 85%, and for third floor this built up area is 95%. So the solution is 80% of the first floor, this is 80% of the first ground floor, this is first floor, second story, and this one is third story. So third story, so this is called first, second and third. This is the built up area. So we will multiply every individual area into 1300, which is rate for square feet. So the total cost of the project is 99 lakh 45,000. So this one is the built up area, the total cost of the building. Formula for total cost is equal to area which will be built up and into its unit rate, which is its cost. So thank you for watching.